A strong rental history can make the difference between getting approved or rejected for a new apartment, mortgage, visa, or even certain employment opportunities. When a landlord is asked to verify a tenant's rental record, providing clear, accurate, and professional information helps demonstrate that the tenant has been responsible and reliable throughout the tenancy. A well-written rental verification letter gives the recipient confidence that the tenant's rental history can be trusted. Whether you are a landlord or a property manager, your letter should present only factual information that can be verified through your lease records. A professional rental verification letter confirms the tenant's occupancy, payment history, lease details, and overall tenancy, while maintaining an objective and respectful tone. So, here is how to write it. Sender information. Start by writing your contact information at the top of the letter. This section identifies who is providing the rental verification and gives the recipient a way to verify the information if additional questions arise. Since the letter may be used for official purposes, your contact information should be accurate and current. Date. After your contact information, write the date. For example, August 1st, 2026. The date establishes when the verification was prepared and confirms that the rental information reflects the tenant's current or recent tenancy. Many organizations prefer recent verification letters, so using the current date is important. Recipient information. Next, write the recipient's information. This directs the verification to the appropriate person or department responsible for reviewing the tenant's application. Addressing the correct recipient helps ensure your letter is processed efficiently. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject, rental verification for Sophia Turner. The subject immediately identifies the purpose of your letter and clearly states the tenant's name. This helps the recipient quickly associate the verification with the correct application or file. Salutation. Address the recipient professionally. For example, Dear Sir or Madam. Using a formal greeting establishes a professional tone and makes the letter appropriate for landlords, mortgage lenders, employers, government agencies, and other organizations requesting rental verification. Opening paragraph. Now identify the tenant and the rental property. For example, I am writing this letter to verify the rental history of Sophia Turner, who has been a tenant at the property located at 1428 Maple Avenue, Portland, Oregon, 97205. This verification is based on my records as the landlord and accurately reflects the tenancy maintained under our lease agreement. This opening paragraph immediately explains the purpose of the letter while identifying both the tenant and the rental property. Include the tenant's full name and the complete rental address exactly as they appear in the lease agreement. Beginning with clear identification allows the recipient to quickly confirm whose rental history is being verified. Always verify the information against your lease records before preparing the letter to avoid accidental errors. Lease information paragraph. Next, provide the details of the lease. For example, I confirm that Sophia Turner has rented this property from March 1st, 2023 to the present under a valid residential lease agreement. The current monthly rent is $1,650, which is due on the first day of each month. This paragraph provides the recipient with important information about the tenant's rental history. Include the lease start date, the lease end date if applicable, or indicate that the tenancy continues to the present. Also state the monthly rent and the payment due date. These details help establish the length and terms of the tenancy. Be sure the dates and rental amount match your lease agreement and payment records. Payment and tenancy history paragraph. Now describe the tenant's payment history and conduct during the tenancy. For example, during the tenancy, Sophia Turner has consistently paid rent on time and has maintained an excellent payment record. In addition, she has taken good care of the property, complied with all terms of the lease agreement, communicated responsibly regarding maintenance matters, and fulfilled her responsibilities as a tenant throughout the lease period. This paragraph provides valuable insight into the tenant's reliability. Describe the tenant's payment history honestly and explain whether they maintained the property and complied with the lease agreement. If there were occasional late payments or other relevant issues that you choose to disclose, present the information factually without exaggeration or personal opinion. A factual and balanced assessment is far more valuable than excessive praise that cannot be supported. Verification purpose paragraph. Next, explain why the verification is being provided. For example, to the best of my knowledge, the information provided in this letter is true and accurate. This verification is provided at the request of Sophia Turner for the purpose of supporting her rental application for a new residence. This paragraph certifies that the information is accurate and explains why the letter has been prepared. Whether the tenant needs the verification for a rental application, mortgage application, employment, visa application, or another official purpose, stating the reason provides useful context for the recipient. Providing only information that you can verify helps maintain the credibility of your letter. Contact paragraph. Now offer to provide additional information if needed. For example, should you require any additional information regarding Sophia Turner or the tenancy, please feel free to contact me using the information provided above. This paragraph shows your willingness to answer any additional questions the recipient may have. Offering further assistance demonstrates professionalism and helps complete the verification process if clarification is needed. Responding promptly to verification requests can help prevent delays in the tenant's application. Thank you paragraph. Then conclude your letter. For example, thank you for your time and consideration. Although brief, this closing paragraph expresses appreciation and ends the letter with professionalism and courtesy. A respectful conclusion leaves a positive final impression. Now close the letter properly. For example, sincerely Richard Lawson. Lawson Property Management. This is your formal closing and signature identification, including your name and, if applicable, your property management company confirms who provided the verification and adds credibility to the letter. Before submitting your rental verification letter, carefully review every detail to ensure the tenant's name, property address, lease dates, rental amount, and payment history are accurate. Verify that all information matches your lease and payment records. A strong rental verification letter is factual, objective, and well organized, giving the recipient confidence in the tenant's rental history while helping them make an informed decision. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.